Good morning, third grade. It is so good to see you again today. I had a chance to go through the work that I received, and I was so impressed by how hard you worked at home yesterday. I got to read many interesting animal poems. I got to see some very detailed drawings of plants and trees that you observed. I also saw people who were working very hard on math problems and figuring things out. Keep up the good work. Today we're going to be doing more learning from home, but before we start going through the schedule, we're going to start with our opening like we would do every day during morning meeting. All right. You are my other me. If I do harm to you, I do harm to myself. If I love and respect you, I love and respect myself. Good. So I'm going to go through the schedule and share what you're going to be working on at home. So I'm going to turn to my computer and pull up the plans. Okay, so you're going to start with writing. You're going to practice for 10 minutes on writing about the topic, what is your favorite food and why? And remember that when you're writing, you're thinking about details, you're thinking about interesting words, you're making sure your sentences have a complete idea, that they all start with a capital and end with a punctuation. You want to write as much as you can for 10 minutes to practice building your writing stamina and to write on a topic that you might not write about otherwise. Then you're going to be practicing poetry again. You're going to pick a poem of your choice. So you're going to pick a style of poem that you've written. It can be a haiku. It can be an AABBCC poem. It can be an I am from poem. It could be a shape poem. It could be a free verse poem. It could be a color poem. It could be another animal poem. You're going to pick a poem and you're going to write it. When you're done with that, take a picture and send it to me. For your reading time today, you're going to spend about 20 minutes reading in your Just Right book. And remember, a Just Right book is a book that you can read about 95% of the words with fluency, accuracy, and you understand what you've read. One way that we can check to make sure we comprehend what we read is by stopping and talking a little bit about what we've read. After you've read for about 20 minutes, you're going to go online to the website ReadWorks, and your parents should have already set up and activated an account for you. I have assigned an article for you to read and answer comprehension questions. So this is going to be like the article of the day, but you're going to be doing it every day to help practice reading fiction or nonfiction texts and answering questions to help you with comprehension. Math workshop is going to be really exciting moving forward. So you're going to start learning about fractions. I am super excited about fractions because fractions are everywhere. Can you think about a place where you might find a fraction? I know that I use fractions when I'm cooking. A lot of times I'll see in a recipe book it will call for 1/3 of a cup or 1/4 of a cup. So think about where you might see fractions, and you're going to watch a video by another teacher actually teaching about fractions. I'll start making videos for you of me teaching as we move on along a little bit. But for now, I'm going to post videos of other people teaching so you can get an opportunity to see how other people also share information. After you've watched the video, you're going to color and cut the fraction strips that I've shared with you. You can notice what do the fraction strips look like when you cut them apart. Can you find places where a fraction equals another fraction? Play around with them, but save them in a bag for later because we'll be using them again. Then you can work on page 33 in your math workbook, which should be a fraction activity. Again, snap a picture and send it to me at the end of the day. Today you're going to be doing a science activity at this great website that I like called Mystery Science. There's short little questions and short little videos that kids your age are wondering about. So today's Mystery Science is why do cats purr? Any ideas? Why do you think a cat purrs? I have some guesses, but I'm not going to tell you. Watch the video and let me know what you find out. Today there'll be no keyboarding or no Lumos learning. We'll get that started up really soon. Project work, we're going to be continuing to think about the connection between people, land, and plants. And today you're going to be thinking about what is a land manager? Any ideas? What do you think it means to manage the land? Why do you think it's important to manage the land? How do you manage the land? So you're going to be watching a video from the website we've watched before, Confluence, where we get to hear people telling their stories about their experiences. You're going to be watching a video and you're going to be thinking about some of those questions. You're going to answer these reflections on a piece of paper that you should have at home. It doesn't need to be a special piece of paper. I've also posted some PE activities that Kathy would like for you to do. So you can do these activities anytime during the week. So it doesn't have to necessarily follow our Tuesday, Thursday plan. It can if you'd like it to, but I'll just post it and then you can pick what day you would like to do the PE activities. But please do them before the end of the week, okay? And then Melissa has sent us an art blog, so you can pick an art activity from Melissa to work on as well. And then when you're done, make sure that you complete the exit survey so I know that you've completed the work, okay? Please email me with questions and take your time. Today, when I was working with Trey, we started our day by going for a walk, eating some breakfast. Then he started his learning that he has to do it with Angie. And we took our time. When he needed a break, we took a break. When he started to get frustrated, we put the materials down, we drank water, we took our time. So that's what I hope that you're doing, is taking your time, making sure that you're staying healthy, you're staying calm, and that you're using your tools to help you stay in the green zone. So I want you to be thinking about, what can I do when I'm feeling in the yellow zone or the blue zone? What can I do to help myself get back into the green zone? If you have any good ideas, please share them with us. I think that's it for now. I would love to hear how things are going. If you would like to post videos on our class blog, please do that. I would love to see some of your work posted up there. And I'd love for you to share anything that's going on with you at home right now. I'm thinking of you and I can't wait to see you again. All right, I miss you. Talk soon. Bye.